Hello, this is Schedulytics and welcome to today's session. In today's brief video, we will be looking at how we can use the GraphPad Prism to be able to run analysis of variance, i.e. one-way ANOVA. In our previous videos, we used the Stata platform, the JAS platform, and the SPSS platform to run one-way ANOVA. And so if you have not watched that particular video, you may want to watch them so as to know how you can use those respective tools to also run one-way ANOVA. So one thing about running one-way ANOVA in GraphPad Prism is that you have to separate your continuous variable into the various categories. Unlike the other platform where you can have the variable different, as in the continuous variable one side, and then the categorical outcome at the other side. This one, you have to split or stratify the continuous variable into the various categories. So for example, you want to see the systolic blood pressure. What is the systolic blood pressure of the single one? So you copy those ones alone. Then systolic blood pressure of those who are married, systolic blood pressure of those who are separated, then systolic blood pressure of those who are divorced. Then you can do your analysis. So to run the one-way ANOVA, you come to analyze as usual, and then you come to one-way ANOVA. Then you click on what? OK. So immediately you click on OK, we have experimental design. Here, we are not doing a matched or repeated measures, but this first one. So we are not doing a matching or pairing. So we check the first one. And when you do your normality test on your continuous variable, your dependent variable, in this case, SBP, systolic blood pressure, and you realize that it is continuous or normally, and you realize that it is normally distributed, then you use this. If not, then you fall on the non-parametric version. But for now, we are looking at the parametric version, which is the ANOVA. So you click on OK, and straight away we have an outcome, or an outcome window where the result of the analysis is presented. So here the F statistics, or the p-value for the F statistics, says that this is highly significant, meaning the mean systolic blood pressure varies between those two categories with respect to marital status. And we also have the Ballot test here. The Ballot test talks about equality of variance. So here too, we realize that the Ballot test has not been violated. And then we also have the Brown-Fawcett test, or the BF test. Now, you may want to know what the BF test is. So we go to the internet to see what the GraphPad Prism software itself tells us regarding that particular test. So it says over here, interpreting results, watch, and then the BF test. So how the BF test works, point of possible confusion. So the BF test here is a test for equality of means. So this is what we are interested in. So it tests the equality of mean. It is distinct from another test by this to test the equality of variance. So here we are looking at the equality of the means, and then the Ballot test looks at the equality of the variance. So you may want to go through this website to get the information that you need regarding the various tests in the GraphPad Prism. But generally, this is how we use the GraphPad Prism to run one-way ANOVA. As usual, if you find this video useful, we encourage you to turn on the post notification bell after subscribing, and like and share our videos. Until we meet again on our next one, this is Schedulytics, and it's a bye.